All right. So as we look at your dashboard, there's some very interesting things here that will look different in your account than it does in this test account. So if you're just getting in and getting started, this section is going to be kind of pinkish red with nothing there. It's going to tell you that you need to get your wallet address. But the order of operations, the first thing you have to do is make sure that you get over and you pay. You'll do that in the My Matrix section, right? When you get over there, it's going to show you that you need to have some things that need to be paid. These will be green and it says activate now, whatever level you're going to start at. So you can't put a wallet address in until you do that. So we want you to do that. The other thing is we want you to note that you can certainly follow us on our social media. Telegram is really important. It's a channel where we try to put all the most recent updates and on anything we post it there. If you once you do buy your products, you'll be able to access them here. And if you look on the right side, when you're first starting, the day you start, right, the day you create the free account, or the day you pay rather, you have 30 days free. You have the first month free. Okay, so don't try and pay. It'll accept it and just extend your date, but you don't have to do that. The day you pay, you have 30 days available. You can access and navigate through on the left side here, whether you're looking for the other items. In each section there, we have our other videos where you can actually manage it. Now, once you put a wallet address in, it'll turn blue and look like this test account and have a wallet address there. Now, as you see that, it's going to open up the door for you to get to your sales page. We'll take a look at that in a minute so you can see exactly how that would work. So, if you look further over, right now, when you're watching a video that's been created during the first 7 days of opening the doors, it's not the final. This video will be updated, but for now, the United States and this Spanish link are not going to be relevant because it's about another 4 or 5 days before the Spanish integration is in. Once the Spanish integration is in, we're going to go to the Portuguese integration. Once we do that, it'll work simultaneously with those and everyone else until further notice, until demand is there. The other languages won't be there. They won't need it. We'll just click this button and it'll change the language so that it's in that language of that country. Okay? So that's the way that would work. I got to put it back so I can know where I'm going. To the United States. I think it's up top, English. Okay. So that's how that works. So now let's go down, look at this referral link. You can see some areas where you can share, right? I believe that's talking about sharing your referral link. I'm going to click copy. This is really important, this referral link, right, that you have. Because on this page, you don't have to wait until the company is doing a overview. You can get out to the page and they will get an overview on our page. What's that look like? First of all, they can watch a general presentation about our company and know who we are and what we're doing. When they're done and they really get the information about our company, then they can go and learn about the products, the compensation plan, and other things right beneath. They get to do that. So they'll just scroll down. They get to look at the products, right? They could get the compensation plan or get an inside look of the back office and how things work, or they could check out some testimonies before joining you. That way, when they join you and they look at things, they literally have more than enough information to make an intelligent decision without you or without waiting till 9 o'clock at night. They can wait till 9 o'clock at night, but they can go through this page after watching the videos that goes over the compensation, that goes over the products, and they can do it all there and decide to get started right now. So that's how that would actually work. So that's really important. On this side, whoever your sponsor is would go here. If this wasn't a test account, it would have a sponsor, right? And have the date that they start. If you notice, this says it started on January 12th, 2012. Our company started in 2012. That's why it's saying that. It would have your other things there. Now, there's some artificial numbers here. Don't get caught up in that. You can see your last 7-day earnings beneath. It'll list. But what's important is these pending transactions will let you know how many transactions are pending. If you look, remember I showed you? For the test to see how this works, we put pending payments about 2.2 Bitcoin and 2.002652 Bitcoin. That's what you'll see there. 2, which is 1 and 2, and then 0.002652. So that's just showing you that you're what you have in that. So if you have earnings, okay, woohoo! This is a superstar, whoever this guy is, right? If it was real, he would have earned $54,000. and you would have 82 direct referrals. Okay, so just as an FYI, this thing will change on a daily basis, and you'll get to see exactly how it works. You'll be able to see your inactives. Same thing you see in your My Downline, but just a glimpse of the last 10, the last 10 personal downlines. You can go to referrals. I know it doesn't have any. It's not even active because these are test accounts, but it will give you that information if it wasn't. So there's updates. We're just putting in this graph to let you see generally what kind of numbers you've made in the last 7 days financially, right? In this case, the commission in USD 23,000. Over here 36, and I think the total they made is like, I forgot what it is, but this is let you just get a glimpse of the last 7 days. Okay, that should make you also access your products here, and you know your level because it's going to list whatever level you've paid to. It'll make it list there, so you know exactly what that is. That's pretty much it. You can always log out. I recommend logging out, especially if you're helping people sign up with their accounts and you log into someone else's. You're log out of yours so you don't make any crazy mistakes that can come back and bite you. Anyway, this is Dwayne Golden. Congratulations and welcome to our webpage. Certainly look around, get comfortable, get started so you can start making instant payments today. Take care.